Hey guys, Qortal Justin here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to upload a video to QTube, especially with the brand new update of Qortal version 5 and Qortal Hub version 0.5.4, which makes it so much easier to start publishing content to QTube. Let's get into it. So first of all, let's start with the basic question. What is QTube? Well, it's a peer-to-peer video sharing application where you're able to publish videos, download videos, completely decentralized and completely peer-to-peer, as I just mentioned. This means that you're able to watch videos with users across the globe without the use of any intermediaries or servers. You are downloading these files directly from somebody else's computer, or you're uploading it from your computer to the network, or to the blockchain, I should say, and allowing other people to watch your content directly from your computer, pretty much. So gone are the days where you need to rely on centralized big tech servers to watch videos. No, instead you could do so in complete freedom and in complete control of your own data while doing so. That means that videos published to QTube cannot be hacked, cannot be taken down, and most importantly, cannot be censored. So now that we've seen what QTube is capable of, let's take a look at uploading a video now. Okay, so we're currently on QTube on Qortal Hub, and I'm gonna now show you how to upload a video. So first things first is you're gonna click on publish in the top right corner, video. Here you're gonna have a couple options. All videos use the same cover image. This is when publishing playlists and you want them all to have the same thumbnail. This doesn't apply to us. Populate titles by file name when files are picked. We're gonna keep that checked, that's fine. And then populate all descriptions by title. We're not going to worry about that either. I'm going to have my own custom title. Titles prefix. This is if you want to add a few characters or a few string before the title of the video. We won't worry about that for now. I'm going to click here to select the video file I want. And I'm going to choose the recent video I published on YouTube. You can check it out if you haven't already. Here's what you don't need when using Qortal. I'm also going to paste a description that I had made for it. I'm just gonna quickly format it. Okay, very good. I'm also gonna add a cover image as well for this video, just like that. Now we've added a cover image, and I've gone ahead and chosen Qortal as a category since this video relates to Qortal. And when we're ready, we're gonna click next over here. We don't want to add it to any specific playlist for now, and we're gonna click publish when we're ready. And then we must accept these publishing modals to confirm our metadata as well as our file name and service and identifier. And when we're ready, we click accept. And here we're gonna see a new modal appear, which gives us a really cool publishing status. So we know exactly how our video is being published right now and what status it's at, so we don't feel like anything's going wrong, you know? So I'm gonna get back to you once that's done uploading. Okay, so it's a couple of days later now. I did run into some technical issues, so I apologize for that. But as we can see here, the video was successfully uploaded. So if I click here and play it, we could see that, yeah, it's working properly. And we already have some comments on it. It was successfully uploaded, and we were able to get the video up and running and uploaded to QTube successfully. That's how easy it is to upload videos when on QTube. So yes, there you have it. Uploading a video to QTube is extremely easy, and becoming a content creator on Qortal is actually one of the best things you could be doing right now, especially if you're interested by Web3, and especially if you're worried about all the censorship happening right now on the normal internet. If you haven't already, check out Qortal. You could download it by visiting qortal.dev/downloads. And if you have more questions, drop them in the comments below, or join our communities on Discord and Telegram, and we'll be glad to help you out. So I'll see you on Qortal, and hopefully I could watch some of your videos soon. Take care.